नमस्ते बच्चों, कैसे हो? ठीक है ना? अच्छा, हिंदी क्लास के लिए सबको स्वागत है। Okay dears, we already completed 5 lessons. I hope everyone completed the notes and textbook work of that same lesson. Isn't it? Okay, now we can start a new lesson. Before that, let me ask one question. Which is our country? Yes, we know it is India. India is our country. Then one more question. If we are thinking about India, what are the things will come to our mind? Okay, if I am thinking about India, many things will come, and first the national flag will come to my mind, and after that many things will come. Then one great person also will come to my mind. Do you know who is that person? Yes, it is Mahatma Gandhi. So we respectfully and we lovingly call him Bapu. Okay, let us see more thing about Gandhiji.
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was the full name of Mahatma Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar, Gujarat. His father was Karamchand Gandhi and mother was Putribai. His wife was Kasturba Gandhi. He fought against British Raj in India. He made his India country free in 1947. Gandhiji was one of the greatest men of the world. He is called the father of the nation. He died on January 13th, 1948.
Okay, so now we have a new lesson. Name of the lesson is Gandhiji ke Bandar. Gandhiji ke Bandar. So for that all of you take your textbook, page number 28. Part च Gandhiji ke Bandar. First I will read the lesson. All of you listen and keep your finger on that sentence while I am reading. महात्मा गांधी का पूरा नाम मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी था। वे हमारे राष्ट्रपिता हैं। हम उन्हें आदर से बाबू भी कहते हैं। गांधी जी सदा सत्य बोलते थे। उन्होंने हमें सत्य और अहिंसा का पाठ पढ़ाया। गांधी जी ऊंच नीच का भेदभाव नहीं मानते थे। वे सबको एक समान समझते थे। गांधी जी के पास चीनी मिट्टी के 3 बंदर थे। इस बंदरों को वे सदैव अपने पास रखते थे। एक दिन किसी व्यक्ति ने उनसे पूछा, बाबूजी, अपने अपने कमरे में मिट्टी के ये 3 बंदर किस लिए रखे हुए हैं? गांधी जी ने उत्तर दिया, ये मेरे गुरु है। यह सुनकर उस व्यक्ति को बड़ा आश्चर्य हुआ। तब गांधी जी ने उसे समझाया कि पहला बंदर अपने हाथ अपनी आंखों पर रखे हुए है। यह संकेत देता है बुरा मत देखो। दूसरा बंदर अपने हाथ कानों पर रखे हुए है। यह संकेत देता है बुरा मत सुनो। और तीसरा बंदर अपने हाथ मुंह पर रखे हुए है। यह संकेत देता है बुरा मत कहो। गांधी जी का कहना था कि कभी लड़ाई झगड़ा मत करो, आपस में प्यार से रहो। So once again all of you listen. महात्मा गांधी का पूरा नाम मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी था। What was his full name? What was his full name? Yes, his full name was मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी। वे हमारे राष्ट्रपिता है। He is the father of nation. He is our father of nation. हम उन्हें आदर से बापू भी कहते हैं। हम उन्हें आदर से क्या कहते हैं? बापू। we respectfully call him बापू। ओके, सो महात्मा गांधी का पूरा नाम क्या था? महात्मा गांधी का पूरा नाम मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी था। एंड हमारे राष्ट्रपिता कौन है? महात्मा गांधी। ओके, देन आदर से हम उसे क्या कहते हैं, क्या पुकारते हैं? आदर से वेरी रेस्पेक्टफुली वी आर कॉलिंग बापू। ओके, गांधी जी सदा सत्य बोलते थे। गांधी जी सदा ही ऑलवेज स्पोक ट्रूथ। उन्होंने हमें सत्य और अहिंसा का पाठ पढ़ाया. He taught us the lesson of truth and non-violence. Ahimsa matlab non-violence. He already taught. He always spoke truth and he taught us speak always truth. Then non-violence. Ahimsa का पाठ भी पढ़ाया. Non-violence मतलब we are not supposed to fight with anyone. Okay. We should love each other. We are not supposed to fight with anyone and always speak truth. Then गांधी जी ऊंच नीच का भेदभाव नहीं मानते थे. गांधी जी didn't consider discrimination of high and low. वे सबको एक समान समझते थे. In front of him all are equal. He did not give any special importance to anyone. In front of him all are equal. Okay. एक गांधी जी वे सबको एक समान समझते थे. गांधी जी consider everyone the same way. In front of him there is no any difference. Everyone same. गांधी जी के पास चीनी मिट्टी के 3 बंदर थे. इन बंदरों को वे सदैव अपने पास रखते थे. एक दिन किसी व्यक्ति ने उनसे पूछा, बाबूजी, आपने अपने कमरे में मिट्टी के ये 3 बंदर किस लिए रखे हुए हैं? गांधी जी ने उत्तर दिया, ये मेरे गुरु है. गांधी जी के पास चीनी मिट्टी के 3 बंदर थे. गांधी जी के पास चीनी मिट्टी मतलब Chinese clay means Gandhi ji had 3 ceramic mangi, not original mangi. He had 3 ceramic mangi, statue of 3 monkeys. So इन बंदरों को वे सदैव अपने पास रखते थे. He kept these 3 monkeys with him. So एक दिन किसी व्यक्ति ने उनसे पूछा, one day someone asked to him, बापूजी, आपने अपने कमरे में मिट्टी के ये 3 बंदर किस लिए रखे हुए हैं? Why are you always keeping these 3 monkeys with you? Then गांधी जी ने उत्तर दिया. गांधी जी replied, ये मेरे गुरु है. They are my teachers. How that monkey will teach गांधी जी? Let us see. So यह सुनकर उस व्यक्ति को बड़ा आश्चर्य हुआ. The person was surprised by hearing this. Why? तब गांधी जी ने उसे समझाया कि पहला बंदर अपने हाथ अपनी आंखों पर रखे हुए है. यह संकेत देता है बुरा मत देखो. We can see the first monkey where he is keeping the hand. Yes, the first monkey is keeping the hand where? On the eyes. Okay, on the eyes. He is keeping the hand on his eyes. So it is indicating बुरा मत देखो. Don't look bad things. Don't look bad things. That is first lesson. So first monkey is keeping his hands on his eyes and it is indicating बुरा मत देखो. That means don't look bad things. Then ऐसा कह देते हैं बुरा मत देखो. दूसरा बंदर अपने हाथ कानों पर रखे हुए है. Okay, we can see that the second monkey is holding its hand on the ears. That 2 ears, he is keeping the hands on 2 ears and it is indicating don't listen any bad things. Okay, so it is indicating don't hear any bad things. So first monkey is keeping the hand on his eyes and it is indicating don't look bad. बुरा मत देखो. And second monkey is keeping holding his hands on the ears. It is indicating बुरा मत सुनो. That means don't listen any bad things. So next तीसरा बंदर अपने हाथ मुंह पर रखे हुए है. मुंह मतलब माउथ. तीसरा बंदर अपने हाथ मुंह पर रखे हुए है. यह संकेत देता है बुरा मत कहो. Yes, the third monkey kept his hand on his mouth. That means it is indicating don't say any bad. Don't say any bad things. So these 3 monkeys are Gandhiji's teachers. How they are teaching 3 things by seeing we can by seeing we will get these 3 lessons. What? The first monkey is keeping the hand on his eyes and it is indicating don't look any bad things. And the second monkey is holding his eyes on 2 ears. That is indicating don't hear, don't listen any bad things. And the last monkey is keeping his hands on his mouth. So that is indicating don't say any bad things. Okay, so 3 lessons we will get from this 3 statue of monkeys. So that's why Gandhiji told to that person, these are my teachers, and that's why I am always keeping the monkeys with me. Okay. Then Gandhiji ka कहना था कि कभी लड़ाई झगड़ा मत करो. At last Gandhiji what he was telling to us. Yes, Gandhiji का कहना था कि कभी लड़ाई झगड़ा मत करो. Never fight with anyone. We should love each other. आपस में प्यार से रहो. We are not supposed to fight with anyone and live with. We should love each other. Okay, आपस में प्यार से रहो. We should love each other. We are not supposed to fight with anyone. We should love each other. So once again, Gandhiji ka pura naam. What was his full name? Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. And who is our Rashtrapita? Yes, Mahatma Gandhi. And by respectfully, by very आदर से हम उसे क्या कहते हैं? बापूजी. Then बापू कहते हैं. और गांधी जी always he spoke truth. Always he spoke truth. And he given the lesson also like that. Speak always truth and non-violence also. We should keep non-violence. Ahimsa ka पाठ पढ़ाया. We should not fight with anyone. Okay. Then in front of him all are equal. There is no any difference between anyone. So in front of him all are equal. सबको एक समान समझते थे. Then he had 3 monkeys, 3 ceramic monkeys, not original ceramic, that statue of monkeys. And one day, and he always keep that monkeys with him. And one day one person asked to him, why are you keeping these monkeys always with you? Then Gandhiji replied, what? They are my teachers. Then he became very surprised and he asked, how it will be? Then Gandhiji explained, the first monkey is indicating, the first monkey is keeping the hand on his eyes and it is indicating Bura mat dekho, don't look bad things. And the second monkey is holding his hands on ears. That means Bura mat suno, don't listen bad things. And the last monkey is keeping where he is keeping his hands? Yes, on his mouth. So that means don't. So bura mat kaho. That means don't say any bad things. So at last he told, don't fight each other. We should love each other. Okay. So once again, here the first monkey, what he is indicating? Bura mat dekho. And second monkey, Bura mat suno. And the third monkey, Bura mat kaho. Okay, children. So you have to, this is a very small lesson. You have to read this lesson 3 times. Okay, and the textbook work and notes explanation we can give in the next class. We can discuss in the next class. Let me conclude today's class. धन्यवाद बच्चों.